A Catholic priest is praised Vice President Dr. Constantino Chiwenga for his unwavering dedication to both his family and the church, describing his example as a model for nurturing spiritual growth and reinforcing social cohesion. Since despite political heat, General Chiwenga stands out for humility and service. Subscribe on the bell icon. Father Victor Bosho of the Roman Catholic Church made the remarks over the weekend during celebration marking VP Chiwenga's graduation from the first stage of the Guide, a program dedicated to embodying the virtues of St. Joseph, particularly love and the protection of family. Vice President Chiwenga graduated alongside 5 of his sons with his wife, Colonel Minota Chiwenga, in attendance. The induction included Dr. Kudza Chiwenga, Mrs. Kamsera Chiwenga, Tawanda Chiwenga, Idakwashi Chiwenga, Litakuzo Chiwenga. What makes his achievement even more remarkable is that he is living out the church's teachings alongside his family as they graduated together, said Father Bosho. The teachings of St. Joseph highlight the significance of love and care within the family, and there is no better way to embody this than by raising children in a faith-filled environment. Such commitment nurtures not only spiritual growth but also strengthens family bonds. Catechist Mr. Alois Makwebere also lauded the Vice President's dedication. He truly set an exemplary standard. It was apparent that his role as Vice President did not define him, said Mr. Makwebere. He approached every task with humility and dedication, fulfilling all the requirements and advanced to the next stage with remarkable competence. Vice President Chiwenga is publicly emphasized that his close ties to the Roman Catholic Church and his spiritual convictions remain his central motivation in life, guiding his service to the nation with honesty and selfless dedication. Thomas Kwanubdachi Prezewa, VP Constantino Chiwenga, na comment section meduzo wa fungo ili batu kulipa msulupe chitu kwechi. Sounds like subscribe or like, and on the bell icon.